Howdy folks, coming from the garage again, looking at ore from the 125 area today. You'll notice my bucket top's a little dirty. Reason for that is part of this ore, this one, will crumble apart in your hands. So let's take a look at that closer, shall we? A lot of limonite is basically just loose packed limonite with sulfides, hematite. What is that? Ain't nothing important there. But you get very, very crumbly ore, banded formations, which might not mean anything. This is the piece I started off with. It cracked in half. Look at it. Nothing really important there. But yeah, if you get a lot of this, you're gonna need a lot of bracing because you can't walk through that stuff. It'll fall apart. This piece, same thing. Not as much limonite. It's a little bit lighter in color. All quartz, but I broke a piece of it up in my hand a while ago. Same area. Just packed full of limonite, depending where you break it out of the rock. I mean, look at that big old chunk in there. This little pancake looking thing. That big piece that goes through there all the way. Iron, quartz, the whole 9 yards. Another piece in the same area that broke out. Heavy quartz, a little bit of diorite in this one, it feels like, but it breaks apart again. Another example of a heavy iron piece. Same thing here. There's a little band right there, unoxidized ore coming through there. The usual limonite, bright yellow and red limonite. And this little one, interesting, big old lead chunk. And then this piece right there. See that little shiny dot right there? That's a little piece of arsenopyrite in this piece next to the limonite. So we have some areas here. This is that kind of ugly green. Ugh. Gold ore is not pretty unless you know what you're looking at. I'm gonna put it on my face. So you have some variation here between arsenopyrite. Some are pretty barren, some are pretty thick in it. We know the winds has some on the portal side, but not on the working end of the mine. Just another little area to look at. Anyway, this is the 125 again, and we'll be doing some more shortly.